Good morning, dear students. Last class I have told about concepts and definitions of ordered pairs and Cartesian products. Cartesian product means how we are taking a cross product between sets to sets. That is the definition of Cartesian product also I told. That is let capital A and capital B two sets. Then Cartesian product of those two sets is given by A cross B is equal to set of the elements ordered pair A comma B such that A belongs to capital A and small letter b belongs to capital B. Or easily you can tell in words the set of all ordered pairs of the given two sets A and B is called Cartesian product of given two sets capital A and capital B. Like that I told at the same time I have given definition of ordered pair also. Even I have given some important conditions under the note of both Cartesian product and ordered pair also. Even I have finished some problems from exercise 2.1 also. That is how we are taking Cartesian products and how whenever two ordered pairs are equal, how we are going to finding unknown values or unknown variables x and y. About these also I told. Today also we will solve some different types of problems in the exercise 2.1. The first question. A is equal to, if A is equal to set of the elements minus 1 comma 1 minus 1 comma 1, then find A cross A. Three times has came here. Triplets. Triplet means we are getting in one bracket three elements. In one bracket, that is one curved shape bracket, you are getting only two elements, means that is ordered pair. In curved shape bracket, you are getting three elements, means that is triplets. We are calling that triplets. When you are listening, when you are hearing about the word triplet, means merchant should cross must be two times between those letters. Here, if you can observe A cross, cross A, cross has came two times. When it has came two times means easily we can realize and easily we can understood about the pairs or triplet pairs. But whenever two elements only ordered pair, that is the ordered pair we are calling that. Here they are asking question on triplet. Triplet means in case of triplet, which types of elements will get, about that now we'll discuss. Then A cross is, then find A cross. Here then find A cross A. Then find A cross A here. See here, A cross A means. Solution to this question is, let A is equal to set of the elements minus 1 comma 1 here. Now consider A cross A here first to take A cross A and afterwards to take A cross A cross. A cross A means set of the elements A are minus 1 comma 1 cross A or here minus 1 comma 1 here. A cross A is equal to here. Set of the elements, take ordered pairs of all these four elements. With the help of all these four elements, start with minus 1. Minus 1 to minus 1 is minus 1 comma minus 1. Minus 1 comma plus 1 here. And start with second element 1 comma minus 1. And next 1 comma 1 here. 1 comma 1 here, that is. It is the A cross A. These are all the elements of Cartesian product of sets A cross A here. But they are asking triplets. Triplet means here, once again, we must take that cross product with A cross A to the set capital A here. Now consider A cross A here, or you can put bracket on this. First set A is minus 1 comma 1 here, cross of remaining elements minus 1 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma 1, and 1 comma minus 1, and last is 1 comma 1 here, like this. Then afterwards take a cross product between the sets to the ordered pairs of second sets, like this. Elements start with minus 1 here, minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. Next minus 1 comma minus 1 comma 1 here. Next minus 1 comma 1 comma minus 1 here. Next minus 1 comma 1 comma 1 here. Next start with plus 1 here. 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1 here. Next with 1 comma minus 1 comma 1 here. Next with 1 here. 1 comma 1 comma minus 1 here. Next with 1 here. 1 comma 1 comma 1 here. Like that, totally we have 8 elements we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the A cross A. Triplet elements for the set capital A here. Only 2 means ordered pairs. Set of all ordered pairs is a Cartesian product of given 2 sets. Here we got triplets. Triplet means 3 elements we got here. That's why these are all the elements for A cross A. Like that we are finding triplet elements for the given set capital A. Let us now we are going to solving another questions. Next question, second question. Let A is equal to, if A cross B is equal to, set of the elements A comma X, A comma Y. Next one is B comma X, B comma Y here. B comma X, comma B comma Y. Then find sets A and B. Then find sets capital A and capital B here. Capital A and capital B here. Already they gave all the elements of the Cartesian product of given 2 sets capital A and capital B. But they did not give the elements of set A and set B. About that now we are going to finding. We are going to finding about A and B means what are the elements of the set capital A and what are the elements of set capital B here. With the help of all these elements of Cartesian product of A and B, we are going to finding elements of set A and set B here. Solution to this question is, given that A cross B is equal to set of the elements A comma X, comma A comma Y, comma B comma X, comma B comma Y here. Consider A is equal to A comma B because set of all first elements are belonging to capital sets, capital letter A only. Set of all first elements. What are the elements here? A is equal to set of all first elements here. A comma and B comma B here. That is A is equal to. Already I told also, whenever a letter, an element can repeat it twice or thrice, to all these we should write only one time. Because here we have to apply rules of roster form. In roster form, an element can repeat it any number of times. To all those we should write only one and only one time. That's why for these two we should write only one time A, and for these two we should write only one time B. Therefore, A is equal to, capital letter A is equal to set of the elements, small letters A and comma B here. Next, about B. B is a set of all second elements. What are the second elements of ordered pairs here? X comma. Second elements of ordered pairs of given Cartesian product of the sets A and B here. Second elements of all these four ordered pairs are X comma, Y comma, X comma, Y here. That is B is equal to X has came two times. That's why for these we should write only one time. Y has came two times. That's why for these two also we should write only one time. Therefore, the elements of set capital B is X comma Y. Like that we are going to finding or separately or individually elements of capital letter set A and capital letter set B here. This is the solution for this question. Let us now we are going to solving another question. Let A is equal to, let A is equal to set of the elements 1 comma 2, B is equal to set of the elements 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, 1 2 3 4. C is equal to elements 5 comma 6, 5 comma 6, and D is equal to 5 6 7 8. D is equal to 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8. 8. Then verify that first question. Then verify that first question A cross of B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. A cross B intersection A cross C. A cross B. Second question, A cross A is subset of A cross C is the subset of B cross D. A cross C is the subset of B cross D here. About this. In this one question, they are asking two sub questions. One is A cross of B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. And second question is A cross C is the subset of B cross D. In second question, we must find out the elements in both sets A cross C and B cross D. After that, how to check conditions of subsets there. Now first we'll discuss about the first question. Solution for this question is first question is A cross of B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C here. First consider left hand side parts. Consider left hand side part LHS. LHS is, what is LHS here? A cross of B intersection C here. B intersection C, first you have to find out B intersection C here. B is, what are the elements of set B here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Intersection C is 5, 6. And these sets do not have any common elements. If they do not have common elements means null set. Null set means empty set. That's what here we got null set here. Empty bracket. B intersection C is equal to here null sets. Now consider A intersection of B intersection C here is equal to, what are the elements of set A here? 1, 2 here. Cross null sets. The null set means it doesn't have any elements. It doesn't have elements means even we are not going to getting any ordered pairs. If we are not getting any ordered pair means that is a null set. Null set means the set doesn't having any elements. That's what A cross of B intersection C is equal to null sets. Or we can write here left hand side part this is. Left hand side part is null set we got here. Now we'll discuss about right hand side. What is the right hand side? A cross B intersection A cross C. Here one side I am going to solving that right hand side parts. Considered right hand sides. Considered right hand side part RHS. RHS is, what is RHS part? A cross B intersection A cross C here. A cross B, first you list the elements for the set A cross B and next you list the elements for A cross C. And wherever you are getting any common elements between those two, just you list out them only. And afterwards verify that LHS and RHS, whether they are equal or not. Now let us, we are going to finding elements for the set A cross B here. A cross B is equal to here. A cross B is equal to, A elements are 1, 2. Cross B elements are 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Now A cross B is equal to, A cross B is equal to 1, 1. Next start with 1 to all these 4 elements. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Next 1, 4. Next start with 2 all these 4 elements. 2, 1, 2, 2. Next one is 2, 3. Next one is 2, 4. Like that we have 8 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is the A cross B. Next you find out that elements for A cross C also. A cross C. A is the, what are the elements of set A here? 1, 2. Cross. What are the elements of C here? 5, 6. Then A cross C is equal to, we can write A cross C is equal to Cartesian product of these two sets A and C is given by, start with 1 to these two now. Start with 1 to these two. That is 1, 5. Next one is 1, 6. Start with 2 to these two elements. 2, 5. comma 2, comma 6. This is the A cross C. If you can observe, Cartesian products A cross B and A cross A, they do not having any common elements. They do not have any common elements. And A cross B have different elements and A cross have different elements. See, if you can observe 1 comma 5 is not there, 1 comma 6 is not there, 2 comma 5 also not there, 2 comma 6 also not there. Remaining the elements of A cross B, they are also not present in the Cartesian product of A and C, that is in A cross C. That's why easily we can write here A cross B intersection A cross C is equal to null set. It is the RHS part. Therefore, LHS and RHS, they got the same value, that is null set only, same sets. LHS also it's got null set, and in case of RHS also it's got a null set. That's what easily we can tell. Otherwise you can consider it is equation number 1 and is equation number 2. That's what we can tell. From 1 and 2 we can write. From 1 and 2 we can write. From 1 and 2 we can write LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, A cross B of intersection A cross C is equal to A cross of B intersection. So, the LHS is A cross of B intersection C is equal to RHS is A cross B intersection A cross C. But for these two we got same solution, same set, null set. That's what finally we got, and we have written here LHS is equal to RHS. Let us, we are going to solving another questions now. Next question. Let A is equal to 1 comma 2. Let A is equal to set of the elements 1 comma 2. It's the fourth question now. It's and B is equal to set the elements 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4. Write A cross B. Write A cross B. And one more question they are asking here. How many subsets will A cross B will have? How many subsets? How many subsets A cross B will have? Will have. And also they are asking one more question. List them. List them here. Here I am writing. List them. Actually here they are asking 3 questions. First one is A cross B. We have to find out Cartesian product of A and B. Second question, how many number of elements are there in A cross B? Third question is there, what are the subsets? How many number of subsets? At the same time in third question, list out them. What are the elements of S1, S2, S3, S4? We have to find out all the elements. See, first we have to find out here A cross B here. Solution to this question is In case of the solution this question, we applied subsets of the given sets. How we are finding subsets of the given set? By applying one formula is there now, 2 to the power of m. M is the cardinal number of that given set. About that formula here we will discuss. Even we need that formula finally also to find subsets of the given set here. Before that, we must find out what are the elements of A cross B first. If we know the elements of A cross B, then only easily we can find out the subsets of the given set A cross B. Without knowing elements, how we can find out them? We can't find out them also. There are no any possible chances to find subsets without knowing the elements of A cross B here. And first we have to find out the elements of A cross B here. So let's consider A cross B is equal to A cross B is equal to here. A is 1, 2 and cross of set B is the 3, 4 here. A cross B is equal to here. Start with 1, 3 and 1, 4. 2, 3 and 2, 4 here. It is the A cross B we have this. At the same time, n of A cross B is equal to, we need n of A cross B also, is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. That is small letter, that is we can write here small letter m is equal to 4 you considered. Now they are asking subsets here. The number of subsets for A cross B is 2 to the power of m, like this. The number of subsets. The number of subsets. The number of subsets for A cross B. A is given by 2 to the power of m. 2 to the power of m means 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16 subsets will come here. Based on this 16 subsets we must list out here. How means I will tell you. First S1. 4 should write one time. Here 4 and here 4 and here 4. Like that 4 we are going to finding here. First S1. S1 is taken one element from this only, from this equation only. Otherwise you can consider it is equation number 1. From that equation 1 only we are going to finding and we are going to listing the elements of different subsets. Different subsets means here totally we got 16 subsets. We are going to listing the elements to all these 16 subsets now. S1 is taken one order pair one time. Taken one element at a time. 1, 3, one element. S2 1, 4. Next S3 one element 2, 3. Next S4 last one is 2, 4. Taken one element at a time, we got to 4 subsets. Taken only one at a time. Taken 2 at a time. S5 taken 2 elements. 1, 3. 1, 4 is 1. Next S6 1, 3, 2, 3. Next S7 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 1, 4. These two and these two and these two. Next start with second order pair. S8 1, 4, 2, 3. S9 1, 4, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 4. These two and these two are over. Start with second. These two and these two are over. Next, last, S10. S10. S10 is 2 comma 3. Last one is 2 comma 4. That is only. Totally 6 we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, taken 3 at a time. Taken 3 at a time. S11. Taken 3 at a time. 1, 3, 1, 4, and 2 comma 3 here. It is. S12. Start with this. 1 comma 4. Otherwise, these two are over. No. Next, these two should write 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 4. Next, start with this. S13. 1 comma 4, 2 comma 3, next 2 comma 4. Next, S14. Start with 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, and next one is 1 comma 3. Like that, taken 3 at a time, we got 4. Next, S15 and S15 and S16. S15 is easily we can write for S15. Every set is subset by itself. Every set is subset by itself means we can write whole set here. 1 comma 3. Next one is 1 comma 4. And next one is 2 comma 3. And next one is 2 comma 4 here. Next, S16. S16 means every null set is subset to every set. That's what we can tell here, null sets. Null set is subset to every set. Like that here, we got 16 subsets. 16, list them, they're asking, list them. S1, what are the elements of the S1? What are the elements of S2? What are the elements of S3? Like that, we got up to 16. 16 subsets we have. Because in case of sets, just we found that subsets only with independent elements. But here, every element is ordered pair here. Every element is one ordered pair. Every element is an ordered pair means here, with the help of ordered pairs, we found subsets. These are the rules to find the subsets of the given set when the set contains ordered pairs. This is the solution to this question. 3 questions they are asking here. See here, A cross B. How many subsets of A cross B means 16 subsets? Second question. List them is the third question. Like that, 3 sub questions they are asking in one single question here. We found first A cross B. In A cross B, we have number of elements are 4. With the help of number of elements, easily we can write number of subsets 16. Then we list all the 16 subsets. Like that, today I have told different types of problems in case of Cartesian product. At the same time, I have given different problems on Cartesian product and how to find out number of elements in A cross B. Whenever Cartesian product or the given means how to write separately or individually the elements for set A and set B, about that also I told. At the same time, today I told one new concept, that is how to find out subsets of A cross B. By seeing this solution of this question, easily we can analyze and easily we can understood how to find out the subsets of given Cartesian product of given 2 sets also. Like that, today I have given different problems and I have given different concepts also today. On next class also, we will give some different problems in Cartesian products. At the same time, after completion of Cartesian product, next I will start relations. And what is the relation? and what is the relation between the word relation and subsets. Actually, these two are giving same meaning. I'll tell you about that also on next class. Thank you very much.